Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to open the second window from the main window, or we can say that or we can say that how to open the second dialog from the first dialog. So this is in the Qt language we are calling it a dialog or a dialog box. So this is so in this video we are going to learn about from the main window how we are going to open the second window. So let's start. So first let me create the one project. So let's create project. It's going to be a widgets application. So give the name of the project. I'm giving DIALOUG dialog. Next add compiler main GW. No need of the git. Click on none. Finish. So my project is now created. So let me first create my one UI. So in that I'm going to add one button, and I'm going to change the name of the button, that is open second window. Open second window. Let's change some font. It's going to be a bold size. Okay, click on OK, apply. Okay, and let's also reduce the size of our UI. So when I click this button, this push button, I want to open another window from the main window. So this is my target. So but before creating, but we have to create one class or one another window. So how you are going to add? So let's click here, let's right click and click on add new, and here you are going to select the Qt, and here you need to select Qt designer form class. So click on choose. So here there are some options: dialog with button, dialog with right button, dialog without button. So we are going to choose the dialog without button because we have a plain window. So click on the next. So this is your class name. Either you want to change this class name or it should be there. So this is what we are calling the dialog. Dialog means you are opening something, you are opening another window. So there is nothing need to worry about what is dialog. So whenever the interviewer asks you about have you work on the dialog box, what is dialog, so you need to say that dialog means dialog means from the main window we want to open the another window. So this is about the dialog. So I'm going to give the name of the second window, second dialog. So this is my name. So click on the next. No need of the git, and finish. The file has been changed on the disk. Do you want to reload it? Before it can be set yes all. Click on yes all. So another second dialog is class is added. This is my second dialog class. This is what it is added, and this is cpp file, and this is your UI page. This is what I want to open. How we are open when we click on this button. So let's go to your first window, and here right click and click on go to slot and right click. Let's I have created the slot. So but what we want to open from this main window, we want to open our second window. So for that we have to include our second dialog, right? So we have to include our second dialog.h. This is what we want to add here. And now in our slot we have to create for the second dialog class, we need to create one object. Let's give the object name is dialog. So my object is now created. Now using this object I will open my second window. So dialog, so let's set the model. So this is asking for one parameter, that is boolean. So we have to set at the true or false. So we are going to set it as a true. I'm going to explain you what is the model. So first we need to set the model. So let's again, so using our object d dialog and dot, let's call one function exe execute. So this is my code is now done. So what I have done, I have created one object for my second window, this is my class name and this is my object. Using my object, I have setting the model true, and using the object I am calling the execute function that will execute. So let's first build. So my code is building. So I build successful. Let's run. So this is my first window, this is my main window, but when I click on this button, the second window will it should be open. So let's click on this button. See, this is my second window is open, that is the dialog. So what is model in that? Model means that when see, second window, but I'm not able to access this, I'm not able to click, I'm not able to move this, I'm not able to move this, but I am able to move the my second window, but I'm not able to access this. So this is what we are calling the model. It is a model, it is a model based approach. Model based approach means what? If you set the model is true, so you are not going to access your the first window, that is the main window. You are going to access only your second window. So this is the one approach, but let's try to another approach. This is called that, this is what we so let me comment out this code, and this is, I'm going to say that it is model based approach. It is model based approach, but there is another approach, that is that we say that model-less approach. Model-less approach. In that model-less approach, we have to access our both first window also and the second window also. How you are going to access? So for that we have to create this dynamic. We have to create our object dynamically. Here see, we haven't create any pointer. We have just create sample object. So this is we have created statically, but for the model-less approach we need to create our object dynamically. And then how you are going to create the model-less approach. So this is what this is header file for the second class. We need to copy this and we need to add in mainwindow.h. we need to add here include second dialog, and from here I have to from mainwindow.cp I have to remove this. And now in mainwindow for the first in the first window, in the private section, I have to create one pointer object for the second window class. So what is my second window class? That is the second dialog. This is my class name, and I'm going to create one object, that is the dialog. So my object is now created. Pointer object is created. Pointer object is created of second window class, right? And what is my second window class name is? That is second dialog. So by using this dialog, I am going to in main window. So in this push button, whenever we click the push button, we have to open that. So this is called as model-less approach. How you are going to create the model-less approach? That is called the second dialog. This is the second dialog class, and what is the object that we have created? That is dialog equal to new second dialog, and then inside this we have to pass our this object. So this is my object is created. This is my the second window is created, and this is we are passing our main window class. So what does that mean? That when our first window will destroy, automatically second window will also destroy. That is why we are passing this. So this object means current object, current class. So by using this dialog, we are going to call, we are calling our show one method, that is show method, right? We are calling our show method. So by using the show method, we are calling the show method to open the show class. So here here I think uh, there is a small mistake in that code, because we have already created our second window pointer object. So here no need to write again. So you just write your object name here, only write your object name, that is dialog, and we have created our second dialog. And then when let's build this. So build successfully, let's run. So this is my first window is now open, but if when I press this button, I want to open my second window. So let's press this button. So this is my second window is now open. So now see here. So this is what model less approach is. I have also access of this also, and I can also access this window also. I can access this also. In my previous, that is model approach, I am not able to access my first window. So this is what model less approach that we have called. So if you want to hide this first window when the second window is open, how you are going to do that? So generally just add one function here, that is hide. Hide. So let's run again. So what is the objective? When I click on this button, my second window will open and the first window will be hide. So this is my objective using hide function added. So let's run. Let's click on this button. See, when I click on button, my second window is open, but there is no first window. First window is now hidden. So this is how you can work on this. So I hope you understand that how to open the second window from the main window. You need to just add one button and create the slot. So you have two options. Either you can choose the model based approach, or you want to choose model less approach. You have to create for model less approach, you have to create one pointer object. And but for model approach, you don't need to create the pointer object. You just generally you only need one object. There is no pointer situation like that, and you need to set the model true. I hope you understand this, how to open the second window from the main window. If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve your query in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.